What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Jeep video. Today I want to talk about my rack. I finally got it done, so let's look into it. So here's what we ended up with. I purchased these gutter mount brackets from JCR Off-Road. We put a crossbar here and a crossbar right here out of 1-inch pipe, and then we also ended up bending a kind of a hoop in the front to where I want to put a deflector right here. So what I think I need to do is weld on tabs here, maybe 3 tabs or 2 tabs, to where I could attach the deflector on it. And then I also want to, instead of having it attached with the original brackets the way it is right now, I want to weld tabs on top and bolt it so where, you know, it's not going to be so close to the roof, because in one of the spots on this side, on this side, it's really close, and sometimes on the bumps and stuff it rattles, it hits the roof. But this is what we ended up with. Nick helped me weld all this, and this is what we got. Now let me show you what the brackets look like. So this is the brackets that I ordered. I'll put a link in the description to their website where you could order them. But what we ended up doing was we cut about 1 inch off the top to bring everything down to make it more aerodynamic, because I mean they're kind of tall. They were like $60 for all 6. It's not that bad. Took a while to get them with this whole COVID-19 stuff. They weren't really shipping anything. But yeah, this is what I ended up with. Really happy with it. Still got to do a couple of minor things to get it, you know, exactly how I want it, but it's looking good. And the way I have it set up, since these bolts come out from the back, I eventually, once I get an awning, and whenever I go on a trip, I want to be able to throw that awning on, attach it with the, you know, right behind these bolts, and it'll be right. I mean, it'll be perfect. I don't have to put any kind of mounts or brackets. It's just going to be nice and flush with these, so it's going to work out real well. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.